ISO-Chemie. Use the blue technology.
The ISO-CONNECT EPDM sealing collar is a sealing system for windows in the facade that are exposed to the harshest weather conditions. This collar is made for you using our EPDM outside foil. The most important point is the welding, the vulcanization of the corners. The special feature of the EPDM sealing corners, 4 of which are combined here to create a collar, is that these corner connections are vulcanized at the factory. This means that the bonding of these corners is extremely tear resistant and permanently tight, which cannot be guaranteed when the corners are produced on site. All we need from you is the details of the side length on the wall and the projection, then we will produce a 3 or 4-sided collar for you.
The ISO-CONNECT EPDM sealing collar can be provided with a Eurogroove gasket for aluminium windows. It is then fitted using a roller.
Or for plastic and wooden windows it can be equipped with a butyl tape, making it very easy to seal against the window. Then it is quickly and simply folded down against the wall. Our hybrid polymer adhesive XP is applied to the wall, then the foil is pressed using a roller. Sealing is thus extremely simple, not to mention fast and reliable.